Hello everyone, welcome to Project Garage. I'm Jonathan, and I'm really excited to have you here. Here's the TLDR for this channel. This guy right here, I'm going to be doing a lot of projects on it. I have an Evo, 2008 Evo. Be doing a lot of projects on that, and then maybe sometimes projects on a 2017 Subaru WRX. So what are your qualifications? I have 0 certifications, no formal training with cars, maintenance, any of that stuff. The videos that you're going to be watching, at least most of them, you're going to be watching me learn on the spot. It's going to be a very, very interesting time. These videos are really just about me learning and putting that out there for everyone to be entertained with or potentially learn something as well. So what got me into cars? What set me down that path? I got a 2007 Hyundai Tiburon as my first car. Bought it for like $7 grand. Thought it was a great deal at the time. Had a lot of fun with it, and I abused that thing so badly by just doing poor maintenance practices. No one ever taught me anything. I basically had to learn on my own, and I was taught if anything ever had issues or whatever, bring it into the shop. They'll do it all, and you just pay for it in the long run. I learned nothing from doing that. I just brought the car into the shop, got things done to it at the shop. I never learned how to do things on my own, so this is what this is all about. But moving on after that car finally died after like 10 years, that thing was a champ. It was a trooper. That thing, the real OG. But my next real major car was a 2016 Mitsubishi Lancer. Man, that thing was, well, is fun. I still have it. But that was my first real car in standard. I had a truck before that, but that's neither here nor there. But my black Lancer, that got me, gave me a little taste of the car hobby, modding and stuff, and being able to do new things to it, upgrade parts and all that. So, I mean, that kind of started the itch. And then what really did it for me was when I got my 2008 Lancer Evolution. Oh my God, that thing is so much fun when it wants to work. That's a whole nother sub story. But that car really got me hooked in the car culture, car modifications, car meets. It just sent me down a rabbit hole. And then this guy behind me, that is the most recent pickup. That is a 1997 Mitsubishi Galant. And this thing basically solidified me into the car hobby. Like, this thing is really, really cool, really, really fun. Still working on getting it road legal here, but this thing's awesome. There's only like a few videos on YouTube of it. Like, there's a guy in, I think, Australia or New Zealand, Gutter Rash Automotive. That guy's pretty awesome, puts up really good content. He's been kind of vacant for a while. He's been doing a lot of motorcycle stuff, but he had one, or has one, and outside of him, there's like a few odds and ends videos of like 10-15 years ago. So hopefully we'll be able to get a little bit more knowledge out there. I'm going to be working pretty heavily with Facebook groups to try and pull knowledge from to be able to present it, but there's going to be a lot to come, so stay tuned for that. Those things basically got me hooked. They got me started. They got me going down this path, and now we're here, and you get to watch along with me as I learn, break things, fix things, and break them again probably. What can you expect from this channel? It's going to be a lot of projects, cosmetic projects, mechanical projects, troubleshooting, fixing, maintaining, going out on cruises, driving around car meets. You can expect all that. If any of those things sound fun to you, you should definitely subscribe, because we're going to be doing a lot of projects. But have a good day, learn something new, and I'll see you in the next video.